looking in here. So I just found another change in the Tesla Spring Update. They added the ability to monitor your cabin air filter percentage in service mode. Go into service mode, pick the software settings, and then hold where it says Model 3 for 5 seconds. Release your finger and then enter service as the password. And then go to cooling and HVAC. And then click on the right side. So my cabin air filter had a score of 78. Now, how does it get to that? I'm not sure. Touch the cabin air filter, it gives you the option to reset the cabin air filter life. It asks you to hold the right turn signal and the brake pedal to unlock the gateway, and then it'll allow you to run the reset procedure for the cabin air filter. After I did that, the filter life was reset to 100%. Now, I changed my cabin air filter maybe a few months back, so it was at 78. So I'm not sure if it's a time measurement or it could be looking at airflow through the filter, you know, using the restriction to determine how soon that cabin air filter needs to be replaced. There you go, another nice feature added in the Spring Update. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on Tesla, Rivian, Wi-Fi, and tech products.